This user guide will show you how to move an applicant on the Lumina Applicants Tracker. First, visit www.luminalearning.com in order to log into our system. Press the Login button in the top right-hand corner. Then, use your Lumina account details to sign in to Lumina Online. Now navigate to Lumina Services on the left-hand menu. Then enter the Applicants Tracker area. You are now on the Lumina Applicants Tracker interface. Select the position in which you would like to move the applicant. You are now on the Positions dashboard. Select the Merit List tab to find the applicants. You can now select applicants using the applicants list on the left-hand side of the page. You can also search for them using the search bar above the applicants list. Once you have selected the applicant, navigate to the Move Applicant drop-down menu. Now select which stage of the pipeline you would like to move the applicant to, and they will then appear there. Please note that you can undo any changes you make with the icon appearing above the drop-down menu. Thank you for listening to this user guide on moving an applicant on the Lumina Applicants Tracker. We hope you found it helpful. Please feel free to contact support@luminalearning.com if you have any further queries.